That chap there.
Over the last few months, me and my sisters have been building a 100 level Find the Button map in Minecraft. It is a Bedrock world, so you'll need Bedrock if you want to play it. It'll be uploaded to Planet Minecraft, there's a link in the description. I will be sending it to some YouTubers. It's unlikely they'll actually bother, but if they do, that will be interesting, and I'll probably upload a video about that. I'm not going to do a playthrough because I don't want to give any away of the secrets of the levels. The premise is that some of them are very annoying. As you can see, each of them is quite small. It's not a large area where you have to find loads of buttons. It is just a 14 by 14 box. Some of the levels are extra big, specifically level 50, which is 2 blocks of area, and level 100, which consists of 3 blocks of area. Some of them are very simple and can be done quite quickly. Some of them are quite complex. Some of them are based on parkour. Some of them are red herring buttons. Some of them have annoyingly placed barriers so that it's more difficult to do. Some of them have combinations of those factors. Some of them rely on just generally misleading you. And some of them are completely blank because I am bad at maths, and so I did 110 by mistake. In case you're wondering what they were about. And then there's a big gold thing which you can find out about if you actually complete it.